Hi everybody, it's me, Aidan from Aidan Awesome, and today we're gonna be sneaking into the kitchen with no prep and just pulling things out of the fridge to see what we can make for my parents' secret lunch. Come on, let's go. Guys, now let's get my apron and hat. And we're done. Let's go start cooking and get the ingredients. Where's our zucchini? Here it is, sugar snap peas, small bell peppers, not a big orange one, a big pack of brown rice. It's frozen organic broccoli. I forgot something that we need in the fridge. Most important, soy sauce. Salt and pepper for flavor. First step is getting 2 packs. One cup, exactly. It's a trusty spray. Now, pour in some of our water. All of it, actually, which is 1 cup. Spray in oil, season the rice. A lot of soy sauce. That's where all the flavor comes from. Pepper. Start to cut it more. Rip. Toss in all our broccoli. I love you, Mom. Sorry for all the messes that I give you. We gotta hurry up fast before they come out of the office. Turn on your flame, start to cook. Put on the fan and come back in 5 minutes. Guys, I can't believe we cooked this whole meal without my parents finding out. Let's go plate and give it to my mom.
Sure. Yeah.
Mom?
Sure, absolutely. That sounds great. Okay, sounds great. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye. Yeah, baby. Oh, what's this?
I made you food because I know you weren't able to get up.
Oh, baby, I love that you know how to cook. This looks amazing. Thank you.
That one's for you.
What'd you make? Stir fry?
Yeah.
I love your stir fry. Ooh, looks delicious.
You ready?
You're amazing. Am I taking a bite?
Wait.
Oh, Invisalign. Yeah, get it out.
3, 2,
1.
1.
Awesome. Boy, you are good at this. Your dad is calling. Should I answer?
No.
Your son just made the best stir fry and brought it to the office. Incredible. You have no idea. So good. Yes, amazing.